It is August 12 unto E, and I'm in Fridley making videos of BNSF trons. And trons are fucking cool. I knew there was a tron on the way because there's a green light over there. And there's a JB Hunt car that rhymes with cunt. There's a lot of JB Hunt cars that rhyme with cunt on this tron. And there's another JB Hunt car that rhymes with cunt. All kinds of JB Hunts that rhyme with cunt. More JB Hunts that rhyme with cunt. This tron is loaded with cars that have JB Hunt cars that rhyme with cunt. Just endless JB Hunts that rhyme with cunt. One JB Hunt that rhymes with cunt after another. The JB Hunts that rhyme with cunt keep on coming. He said coming. Tron. It ends with JB Hunts that rhyme with cunt. Oh, I'm so glad I have Asperger's because I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting Tron videos than I do. And this is the first video I made with my new DJI Pocket camcorder. It's supposed to record 4K video. I've had a lot of problems trying to get this camera set up. The camcorder set up is a total fucking nightmare. It will take longer than I have time to explain it. But now that I got it going, I got it set up to record in 4K. It will not record in 4K. So I don't know what the fucking problem is. So that fucking sucks. The 1080 quality is pretty good. And I don't know if that's the last Tron for the day. Probably is. And as always, I'm so glad I have Asperger's because I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting Tron videos in the world. When people don't like my videos, fuck them. They're not my real friends anyway. My real friends are the cool people who like my videos. And there's another Tron over there. And I don't know if that Tron is going to come through. He said come. Anyway, people get to see my videos and hear my spoken words are the chosen people, even if they don't like it. So, I have a question before I end the video. I got this thing set up to record in 4K. Why the fuck isn't it recording in 4K? I tried out all kinds of fucking things. They said it could be, I checked briefly online. It said it could be the SD card, but I thought you need a special type of SD card. I have a SanDisk SD card. So it should be able to record. So that shouldn't be it. Another suggestion was a firmware update, but the firmware update should have gone in when the damn fucking thing was activated. So I don't know what the fuck is going on. But I always make interesting and thought-provoking videos. I can't wonder what it would look like on YouTube. The quality will still be a little bit better with 1080, but 1080 is not bad. But part of the reason I got it is 4K, and even if I do get 4K, I'd have to get software to edit 4K videos in case I bring up something controversial like the COVID vaccine, and I have to take parts of that out. Yeah, I had to bring that up. So I have to say the COVID vaccine is safe and effective. It helps slow the transmission of the virus and also greatly reduces your chances of hospitalization if you catch COVID. I had to throw that in there. But on top of that, I make the most interesting videos in the world.